Well, folks, this is my 9.8 mile mark, North Shore Road, Part 2 movie of the Westside area. And the next few slides are this short little hike up this stream on the west side and all the beautiful features you'll notice as you start to walk uh, to the south. And in this movie, I want to take a short little hike up into the hills on the east side. But as you can see, some really beautiful features along the way. And it's in this general area right here where I want to start my little hike video. Well, this beautiful limestone, multicolored limestone, and then there's some volcanic tuff through here. Some truly beautiful features throughout this area here. When you're walking through areas like this, you definitely want to have some good hiking shoes that have lots of tread on them. There's just tons of loose material, and so it's good to have some good hiking boots or shoes that can dig into the ground and give you some sort of stability. But the ground, especially as you walk further up this hill, the ground just breaks apart underneath you, and so you have to constantly be checking your balance. But this is an interesting little hike in this immediate area off the stream on the east side. There's some volcanic outcroppings of lava and other things that are up in this area that are kind of neat to look at. Definitely some volcanic lava like material here exposed in this outcrop. As I walk up here, this reoccurring feature of this exposed lava, again, it looks like it's come in contact with water at some point because it doesn't look like normal lava. It's has this unusual look to it, which is common throughout this area. It's all these various fragments that are sort of held together with the various soils in this area. If anyone has an understanding of what this is, and feel free to write a comment to bring some clarity into what is being seen here. But underneath all these hills up here is this lava flow. That's looking north there, and North Shore Road is just right in the middle, upper middle area. Anyway, walking down this little hill here, we'll walk over and look at some other volcanic uh, outcrops. Well, walking through this area, eventually get to a point where you can't go any further. It's too far a drop to try to get through this area. We maneuver up this little hill here. This is where it gets challenging because the ground is just falling apart underneath you. All this loose material here makes it a interesting challenge. And now climb down into this little area here, see if I can get through. Coming up to the edge, I can see it's going to be some maneuvering involved. Can't hold my camera and get down through this area. Yeah, it's going to take a little maneuvering to get down through here. Anyway, I made my way down, and this is the face of this lava wall that was at the bottom of this little ravine here. But anyway, this is a closer look at these outcroppings that you see at the very bottom along the stream bed. It's more of that lava that has had some contact with moisture or something to give it this unique look. And from here, it's just a matter of walking back to the stream bed and observing all these beautiful variety of colors of these sandstones and tuff and limestones. But look at all these variety of colors here. It's just so beautiful through here. Interesting that this big lava block had to fall right here and block the way to walk out. But that's okay. Just walk a little further along and come back down on the stream bed. But this is a good view here of this so-called my so-called West Side area. But anyway, as I've mentioned before, if you've noticed anything or any feature in this video and you have some knowledge about what you're observing, feel free to write a comment to bring some clarity into the geology of this immediate area. And I really do appreciate everyone watching and following along with these adventures out here. Some incredible geology that can be understood in a basic sort of a way. And again, this is the 9.8 mile mark area where I park.